This is the Kinematic Viscosity of Air interactive calculator, which determines the kinematic viscosity of air under various conditions for engineering applications. The calculator offers 5 calculation modes in a drop-down menu. Calculate from temperature and pressure, calculate at standard pressure 101.325 kPa, calculate from dynamic viscosity and density, calculate from Reynolds number and characteristic length, and find temperature for target kinematic viscosity. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate from Temperature and Pressure mode. The input fields include temperature in degrees Celsius, absolute pressure in kilopascals, dynamic viscosity in micropascal seconds, air density in kilograms per cubic meter, Reynolds number, velocity in meters per second, characteristic length in meters, and target nu in meters squared per second times 10 to the minus 6. Let's work through an example. With temperature at 20 degrees Celsius and absolute pressure at 101.325 kilopascals, clicking Calculate gives us these results. Kinematic viscosity is 15.059 times 10 to the minus 6 meters squared per second. Dynamic viscosity is 18.133 micropascal seconds. Air density is 1.2041 kilograms per cubic meter. And temperature confirms 20.00 degrees Celsius. The calculator also notes the Prandtl number is approximately 0.71 for air at these conditions. This tool streamlines viscosity calculations for fluid dynamics and heat transfer analysis. Find the link in the description below.